Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today we are going to unbox the FabFitFun for winter. I do this every season. They send it to me. It's not sponsored by them. They're not paying me to do this video, but they do send this to me for free, and they do offer you guys a $10 off code, which is Jam Beauty. I have a link below for it if you are interested in trying it out. It is my affiliate link, which means I do get a small commission if you choose to purchase the FabFitFun through my link. If you don't want to, I'll also put the regular URL down below. No pressure. It's not that big of a video, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this box, it's $50 if you use a $10 off code, which me and many other people have. Of course, it'll be 40 bucks. So let me be very clear. $40 is a lot of money. However, this is a lot of stuff for the money. And I feel like in past unboxings for this, I've always said like, this is really pricey. It is. But the more I think about it, I'm like, you know, it really is a lot for that money. But a lot of people are like, well, but why wouldn't I just go like with that $40 instead of getting a box of things I may or may not want? Why not just go buy something I want that's $40? I'm like, that's a good point. So you know yourself, you know your budget, you know what you need, don't need, want, don't want. So that's kind of the thing with any of these kinds of boxes. But this is one of the few subscription boxes I like genuinely look forward to getting, like I'm excited to get. So they now let you choose some parts of your box. So we'll go through that and I'll show you the different options and things like that. So cute, little fire. The fall one was awesome too. I'll link that one below, but this box you're seeing me unbox right now is available. You can go buy. It's not like you have to subscribe for the next season. You can go and buy the winter one right now and pick what you want and stuff like that. So you open it up and it always comes with, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the cute inside. I'm such a sucker, I know. So it always comes with like a little magazine, and within that it tells you like what's in your box. So they say the total value for this box, depending on what you selected, is anywhere from $290 to $335. It's always at least over 200, but this, it does seem to have a lot of different choices. There's a lot of stuff about self-care in here. So like there's even this little thing that says your year in self-care. And it literally gives you each month like, okay, this week, write a love letter telling yourself all the things you love about you. The next week, give yourself a generous online shopping budget and shop to your Wi-Fi drops. Ooh, dangerous. But anyway, I think that's kind of cute. I love the idea of self-care. I would love to do some videos on that in the future. But anyway, so it's really cool. It even shows you like, here's some travel tips and here's some like makeup tips. So it's like a miniature magazine. The first item in the box is a scarf. If you're a select member, then you can choose the color of your scarf. Otherwise, they just send you a random one, but they're all neutral. So this is the one that was actually in my box. It's from Mark & Graham, and it's really, really soft. It's one of those like giant blanket ones. You know what I mean? Like just huge, where sometimes with these, I always am like, it's almost so big that I'm like, I can't even wear it like a real scarf. But I will say, like when we've had like bonfires and things, I do love grabbing ones like this and just wrapping it around myself. And I know that I can toss it in the washer if I need to, if it smells like bonfire and stuff like that. So I will say I do use them in that way, but sometimes I just want a scarf that's smaller that I can actually wear as a scarf. You know what I mean? But this is really, really soft. All right, fine. You guys ready to make fun of me? It's not a scarf, it's a blanket. Well, I was close with blanket scarf. I'm like flipping through this magazine and I'm like, wait, room decor. And I'm looking and I see that very same thing I just showed you as a scarf. I'm like, that is a throw. Read, Jessica, read. You could totally wear it as a blanket scarf. It's soft enough. Like it literally feels like scarf material, you know what I mean? So the next thing that all members could choose between, you could either get this like glove and headband set from Bear Paw, which retails for $45, or you could get the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask, which retails for $49. And that's what's in my box. So intense care for dry and damaged hair, made with pure Moroccan argan oil, enriched with keratin, sulfate-free. I actually really like, basically this is a deep conditioning mask. I use my Briogeo one all the time. I'm actually out and I'm using like a Kerastase one that I'm liking right now. But this will probably be next up then. I love these. What I'll do is like once a week, sometimes twice. Got it on my nose. Oh, this smells really good. Once a week, I will do like a deep shampoo, you know what I mean? Where I'll really like use the shampoo that really like strips my hair of all the gunk. And then I'll put in a treatment mask, let it sit in for 4 or 5 minutes and then rinse it out. I'm assuming this is a rinse out. Yeah, leave them for 5 minutes, rinse well. So lovely. I know that argan oil is like one of those oils that like so many people swear by, especially for the hair. So I am very excited to try that. So the next one, all members get to choose between 3 different things. The first choice is this H. Halston jewelry portfolio, which I'll open here in a sec. That retails for $48. You could have also chosen the Orbe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, which retails for $44. I love the Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray. That stuff is crazy expensive, and I haven't repurchased it yet, but it is like on my list because I love that texturizing spray so much and it smells so good. And then you also could have chosen the silver circle necklace, which is $49. So they're all around the same price, but this is for travel. I'm like, perfect. So it's this portfolio, and I saw a page in this little magazine where it tells you like how to use it, you know, and different like travel tips, which I'm like, this is gonna be my bedtime reading tonight. But it's like, looks like a little trapper keeper, but small. So it looks like you've got, oh, this is cool. You've got this region here for like earrings you could put on. You can loop like hoops there. You could put bracelets inside here, whatever. It's like a little zipper pouch. And then there's that. And then here, you can put necklaces. So you'd hook it there and then button it back up. And then you can even like stick it in here if you want to like stop it. I mean, there's so many different things. I've even seen people use like the middle insert where you could poke earrings through it. I don't think you really need to, but you could. But I like that it's even there to kind of separate the two sides. So that's really neat. And that's one of those things that you could fit a decent amount of jewelry in. And then it's not taking up much room in your luggage because it's probably, you could just set it right on the bottom under your clothes and you'd never even notice it was there. You know what I mean? So that's really cool. I don't always travel with that much jewelry, but I will say like when I'll travel with like dainty necklaces like this, the only good trick I've seen is like to put it through a straw, but I'm like, I don't want a bunch of straws in my bag. I know that's silly, but it's so much work. I'm like, this would be way easier. So that's pretty cool. The next choice all members had was you could choose between an over-the-knee textured sock for $24, a Jade Stone roller for $45, or a pure Be Your Selfie palette for $36. I got the Jade Roller. I will say this, I've used them from time to time. I've gotten some like pink quartz ones and all different kinds, but I will say it has a thing in here for how to use the Jade Roller, so we're gonna explore because I want to know. So it says, made of 100% jade stone and finished with iron hardware, the Jade Roller has taken the beauty world by storm because of its amazing benefits. See, but don't you kind of find it hard to believe that there are these benefits? But I'll play the game, let's go. Yeah, this definitely, I mean, that's like real jade for real. How to use, apply gentle pressure while rolling the tool from the center of your face in upward and outward motions. Ooh. I recommend using it morning and night after cleansing and moisturizing. So I would already have moisturizer on and then I would do this, okay. So it says for the cheeks and neck, use the large stone to move in upward and sweeping motions, okay. Eye area, use the small part, I did know that. Roll the small stone across the eyebrows, ooh. Okay, to relieve tension. It also feels amazing on the third eye in the middle of your eyebrows, because it's an acupuncture point that stimulates endorphins. Jeez. So here are the benefits. This is what I wanted to know. It increases circulation, helps smooth the look of skin, and adds a natural contour to the face. It also reduces puffiness and encourages drainage through the natural benefits of massage. That just blows my mind. Somebody convince me in the comments that these work. Maybe I'll do like a before and after picture with this and like genuinely like look like, okay, did it like bring more color to my skin in the morning, or you know what I'm saying? Because I get it. I mean, if these things really do work, that's awesome, and there's probably a reason they're like taking the world by storm right now, but I'm just a skeptic by nature, I know, but somebody convince me. Give me an article. Give me some kind of scientific article. I want like a peer-reviewed PDF of how these actually work. So this next one, you had to be a select member to choose between these three. Otherwise, they would just send you whichever one. So the choices were Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Lipstick in Meringue for $26. That is a very nice lipstick, like a very nice one, made of like food grade ingredients. So it's just like a healthy lipstick too. Or you could have gotten this 4-piece coaster set that looks like little wood coasters, or these Burke body sliders, and they're $18, and that's what I was sent. I'm getting my workout game back slowly but surely. So maybe this would be a way for me to like vary it. So you're supposed to use it on carpet, I think. Get off my finger. Is anyone else freaking out? I can't get it off. I am an actual moron. So I'm assuming there's gotta be something in here with how to use this, right? I'm sure I could look up videos too, but yeah, on FabFitFun TV as she guides you through these workouts with it. So I'll have to check that out. I'm going to assume that's on YouTube. But that's pretty cool. I mean, I'm always looking for ways to just kind of vary my workouts. You know, it gets kind of boring. Like I always run on the treadmill, and then I'll do, like I have certain workouts I like doing. So I like to watch YouTube videos because that does switch it up, and I do kettlebell things too. But this would definitely switch it up. I have like a ball that I got from FabFitFun before that I actually use all of the time. So slowly but surely they're furnishing my little gym downstairs. So the next thing, again, you had to be a select member to choose between, but it's this essential oil set for $31. Or this Anthropology and Mercy & Co. Sea Whip Body Cream and Coconut Sugar for $24. I got the essential oils, which is great. Now, I think that's pretty pricey for that. Now, there probably are different grades of essential oils where some might be, I don't know. But, boy, you can get essential oils for a lot less. But it does say 100% natural essential oils. So there is eucalyptus, which I know can be good for, like, headaches, right? And then sweet orange, which I was reading can be good for, like, cramps and things like that. I'm like, interesting. So I know we have a bunch. Now this you can put on your skin, right? Yeah. I have a lot of essential oils that we put like within diffusers as well, but excited. Definitely will use these. Sweet orange is one of my favorite scents of all time. Like I just love orange scents. Yep. Smells like an actual orange. I love that. So that's pretty cool. And these are definitely, you know, like that's going to last quite a while. You do not, at least I do not go through essential oil very quickly. And everyone gets these last 3 products, and they are beauty items. So the first one, I've never tried anything from Thrive. It's the Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. So this retails for $24, and it says, infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil, this silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. So it says highlight the inner corners of your eyes for a brightening effect. So it's just like a thin kind of pencil, chubby pencil. Wow. I already had a little bit there, but that is pretty bright. I would love to try out Thrive Causemetics. I know a lot of people are trying them out now, and now I'm like, well, I want to try. So if you have specific items that you think I would like, let me know. Also, where do you buy them? So the next one is from Ahava. I will say I have an Ahava hand cream in my nightstand that I love. I love, love, love. So this is their hydration cream mask. It's $33. It says it's got mineral spring water, shea butter, vitamin E. It smooths the skin and provides intense hydration and comfort. So you can use it as like a 3-minute hydration boost where you'd rinse it off, or as an overnight sleeping mask where you'd leave it on. Yeah, it says apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or leave all night. Approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested, paraben free. So that sounds awesome. That is like the winter, I mean, I guess this is the winter box, but that's like ideal, right? The last thing in here is from the brand Blaq, B-L-A-Q, and it is $29. It's their Hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Comes with 5 of them, 5 pairs. So it says it's supposed to help with puffiness, swollen under eye areas, detoxes, depuffs, activated charcoal. Leave the eye mask on for 10 to 15 minutes before carefully peeling it off the skin. Carefully. How else would you would you just rip it off? Interesting. I love under eye masks. I really like using them. Like if we are like, even Tyler will use them. Not necessarily at night, but usually like in the morning, like before I'm getting ready. I should do it more actually, because I really enjoy them. And they're one of those things that you can put on and like brush your teeth and maybe blow dry your hair. You know, you can get some other stuff done. Maybe not blow dry your hair. They might fall off, but they'll usually stick on well enough that you can really like get some other stuff done, put lotion on your body, brush your teeth, and then you've got like depuffed eyes. Jessica, you should really do that more often. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I like doing these unboxings. You guys know I love FabFitFun, but like I always mention, you yourself know your budget. It is still a pricey subscription. It's not a $10 a month thing. However, if you think about it, like Ipsy, okay, $10 a month, so 10, 20, 30. So every quarter you'd be getting FabFitFun for, if you use someone's $10 promo code, 40 bucks. You'd be spending 30 just in those 3 months just for Ipsy for all those little samples. So I think this is a way more fun box. It's worth the wait. I started to get overwhelmed by the monthly. I canceled my Sephora Play. I don't think I get any of them anymore. I think BoxyCharm still sends them to me, but I don't even really unbox those on my channel much. This is the one that I'm like, this would be worth your money if you can swing it, because you do get all these things. And then if there's anything you don't want, you could always give it as gifts. You know what I mean? Some of these are really, really nice, high quality brands that would be very nice gifts to give someone. And the fact that they now give you some choices, I think does make it even better, because, you know, if you're like, oh my gosh, another skincare mask, I do not need any more masks, then you could opt for the other thing, and at least you've got that, you know, some control there. Anyway, I hope that this video was helpful for you guys in your pursuit of finding the best things out there, whether it be makeup or skincare or just subscription boxes, whatever. I hope that you'll subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.